Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the WD Western Digital Black SN850X NVMe SSD game drive. So this is what I'm going to use as my C drive, the main drive on my PC, because it is the fastest hard drive available at the moment and very reliable. It uses TLC cache, so it's quite durable. It does 600 terabytes TBW, which is, oh no, more than that actually, double that, 1200, because it's a 2 terabyte model actually. So this is Gen 4. Let me show you all this. Gen 4, 7300 MB read speed, very fast, high performance. What's on this side? Cool package actually. If you have a look at it, there's the hard drive there. Okay, 7300 read speed. Used to say where it. Okay, so how much did I pay for this? It retails at £303.99 and currently it's on sale at Amazon. I'll just show you that. It's on sale for £198.48 and I paid 178, I think. I paid 178, so that's £125 saved there, guys. That's the main reason I bought it, because I need a big hard drive as my main drive. And yeah, I got 4 M.2 slots on my motherboard. I already had 3 M.2s and they were all the crucial ones, if you not check them out. Yeah, so I decided this was on a deal. It just popped up randomly. I thought, wow, let me grab this deal, and then I bought it. Then I decided I'm going to use this as the main drive, the C drive. This can be running my Windows because it's the fastest drive out of the lot, so it'll make my PC more faster compared to the other ones. Even though the other ones are really fast as well, this is even faster. 7000 read speeds and I think it's 5000 write speeds. Let me have a look. There's somewhere, let's find out. 7300. Can't seem to find where the speeds are. Oh, 6600 write speed, guys, which is mental. That's really good. So the read speed is 7300, write speed is 6600, whereas on the crucial the read speed is 6600, the write speed is lower. So that's mad. This one should be very fast. Oh, you will need a heatsink for this, by the way. You can buy this in a heatsink version, or this version itself. I bought it in the plain version because I have a heatsink built into my motherboard, so I just put it in and it's got it sorted there. So make sure you use this with a heatsink, otherwise you will overheat it and destroy the drive over time very quickly, you know, because these gets very hot because of how fast it is. Alright, I'll go ahead and open this. There should be a seal somewhere. That's the seal there. I'm gonna have to break it with my scissors. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. My hand. Oh. Okay, it's in a packet. Extremely oily though, I don't know why. Hopefully the drive is okay. Western Digital, you get a warranty with it. I think it's 6-year warranty. I'll have to double check that. Pretty sure it was 6 years. So yeah, that's the drive itself. As you can see, wow, that looks mental. 2 terabytes. 850X, yep, that's the right one. Wow, that's £200 sitting right here in this small thing here. Mad, isn't it? But yeah, it is what it is. I'm happy I got a decent price for this. Obviously prices will drop in the future, but as of right now, this is the best price you're gonna get it at. That's if it even stays at that price. It might go lower, not lower, higher. Oh shit, look at that. It's see the motherboard, the chips board, the PCB layout. It looks sick. That is a cool design, guys. I like it. There's even a QR code there. Mad. This one doesn't come with a screw, does it? Ah, or does it? I don't see any screws. No. Just double check here. Nope, nothing in here. Okay, so this one doesn't come with an M.2 screw, but luckily my motherboard comes with two M.2 fasteners, so I'll be using that, I guess, as this I can use, since this one doesn't give it. So I'm okay on that behalf. It's not an issue. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this driver. Yeah, we'll do speed test and everything in the future once I set up the PC, the gaming PC. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so why am I even upgrading my PC, guys? Because we had a power surge that destroyed my last PC. Everything destroyed. So I thought might as well, instead of replacing everything, might as well go for an upgrade at the same time, because prices have dropped of stuff. So I'm buying everything on sale, so I'm saving a lot of money, so it's worth it. It's going to future proof me as well. So yeah, very beautiful drive, very nice. And yeah, if it's still on sale, go ahead and buy it, guys. Worth it.